Mullayanagiri Peak, the pinnacle of adventure in Karnataka. Nestled in the western Ghats of Karnataka, Mullayanagiri Peak stands as the highest point in the state, reaching an elevation of 1,930 meters above sea level. This majestic peak is not just a geographical marvel but also a tapestry of rich biodiversity, cultural significance, and adventure opportunities. Whether you are an avid trekker, a nature enthusiast, or someone looking to unwind amidst serene landscapes, Mullayanagiri offers an experience like no other. Mullayanagiri is located in the Chikmagalur district, which is known for its coffee plantations and lush green hills. The peak is part of the Baba Budangiri range and is approximately 15 kilometers from the town of Chikmagalur. The journey to the peak is characterized by winding roads, dense forests, and stunning vistas that make the trip worthwhile. The region is easily accessible by road, with various transportation options available from nearby cities. One of the primary attractions of Mullayanagiri is the trekking experience it offers. The trek to the peak can be moderately challenging, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned trekkers. The most common route starts from the base village of Sarpadgari, where trekkers can begin their ascent through picturesque trails lined with vibrant flora and fauna. As you trek, the trail gradually ascends, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding valleys. The misty landscape adds a mystical charm, especially during the monsoon season when the area is enveloped in lush greenery. The trek typically takes around 2 to 3 hours, depending on your pace, and culminates at the peak, which provides panoramic views of the Western Ghats. Mullayanagiri is not just a trekker's paradise, it is also a biodiversity hotspot. The region is home to various species of plants, animals, and birds. The forests are predominantly composed of evergreen and deciduous trees, with a rich undergrowth of shrubs and herbs. The peak itself is often shrouded in clouds, creating a unique ecosystem that supports a variety of life. Wildlife enthusiasts may encounter animals such as some bar deer, barking deer, and even leopards, although sightings are rare due to the dense foliage. At the summit of Mullayanagiri lies a small temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, which adds a spiritual dimension to the trek. This temple is a significant pilgrimage site for locals and visitors alike. The tranquil atmosphere around the temple, combined with the stunning views, makes it a perfect spot for reflection and meditation. Many believe that the temple has a deep connection to the local culture and traditions, and it attracts devotees who seek blessings before embarking on their journeys. The architectural style of the temple reflects the local craftsmanship, adding to its charm. The best time to visit Mullayanagiri is between October and March. During this period, the weather is pleasant, making it ideal for trekking and outdoor activities. The monsoon season, June to September, transforms the landscape into a lush green paradise, but the heavy rains can make trekking challenging and sometimes dangerous. For those who enjoy cooler temperatures, visiting during the winter months can be particularly rewarding, as the peak often experiences a light dusting of frost, creating a picturesque winter wonderland. The Chikmagalur region is rich in culture and tradition, and a visit to Mullayanagiri offers a glimpse into the local way of life. The people here are warm and hospitable, often welcoming visitors with open arms. The local cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors, featuring traditional dishes that include rice, lentils, and an array of vegetables. Coffee lovers will find themselves in paradise, as Chikmagalur is one of India's premier coffee-growing regions. The opportunity to sample freshly brewed coffee in the local cafes is a must for any visitor. Apart from trekking, Mullayanagiri offers various adventure activities that cater to thrill seekers. Rock climbing, rappelling, and paragliding are popular options for those looking to get an adrenaline rush. The surrounding hills provide ample opportunities for these activities, and several local operators offer packages tailored to different skill levels. For those who prefer a more leisurely pace, nature walks and birdwatching tour are great ways to explore the region's natural beauty. The tranquil environment is perfect for photography enthusiasts looking to capture the stunning landscapes and diverse wildlife. Mullayanagiri Peak is more than just a destination. It is an experience that encompasses adventure, spirituality, and natural beauty. Whether you are scaling its heights, meditating at the temple, or simply soaking in the breathtaking views, the peak promises moments that will stay with you long after your visit. The blend of rich biodiversity, local culture, and adventure opportunities makes Mullayanagiri a must-visit for anyone traveling to Karnataka. So lace up your hiking boots, pack your camera, and set out on an unforgettable journey to the highest point in Karnataka. Mullayanagiri awaits you with open arms, ready to unveil its beauty and charm.